Model of educational process organizing using artificial intelligence technologies. The purpose and tasks. The purpose of this work is to develop rational approaches to the application of AI technologies as well as a model of their rational use. According to the above, the purpose of the research is to solve the following tasks: to determine the prospects of implementing modern AI technologies in educational process, to outline the areas of the AI technologies application formalization, to develop a model for evaluating the efficiency of the AI technologies implementation in educational process. Factors that determine the need for radical renewal of the educational system are following: insufficient consideration of students' interests, the passivity of teaching methods which are out of touch with dynamic changes in society, the need for periodic retraining or even a change of profession, reducing the need for specialists in the field of maintenance of traditional industries where mechanized robotic systems are increasingly used, dynamic change in the needs of specialists in various fields, increasing the needs for specialists who can make creative decisions in various spheres of activity, insufficient attention to the development of students' creative abilities. Functional content of a learning management system is following. So, learning management system includes informational reference system for supporting educational processes, automated library of electronic educational and methodical materials, automated system for monitoring the level of knowledge, success, and activity of those who study, automated database of control tasks, automated system of educational and pedagogical load distribution, information and communication system of interactions. The work structure of the intellectual education ecosystem is following: users, Internet of Things, intermediary, who are teachers and intelligent agents and chatbots, then platform, API, interface plus big data, NLP, big data, machine translation, pattern recognition, and probabilistic planning. The complex model of educational process organizing is the model of the student, the model of the educational subject, the model of the educational process. The model of the students consists the ability to qualitatively implement the idea and get the final result, the ability to build an algorithm and plan a solution to a problem, judgment, synthesis, analysis, application, understanding, knowledge, and ignorance. The student's knowledge asymmetric scale is looking like on this slide. The assessment of knowledge control can be represented by the formula that rating is student multiplies by subject, and we have result. In terms of didactic engineering, the task of managing the educational process can be formulated as maximizing the functionality that reflects the educational process. For modern learning conditions, when slices of knowledge are carried out at separately given moments, a simplified mathematical model can be applied. The comparison of methods of assessing student performance using AI technologies shown in this table. So we have control method, the result, the time of event, and assessment of adaptability of models, high, medium, low, or absent. And we have strict a task sequence, a random sampling of tests, combined method taking into account the educational subject model parameters, random sampling taking into account of the model of student parameters, control based on the student answers, control based on the educational material model, modular rating method, controlled by a model of the student, controlled by a model of the student and the educational materials. The graphs, the survey results shown on these graphs, analysis of the prospect using AI to support the infrastructure of an educational institution, analysis of the prospect using AI for operational support of educational process, analysis of the prospect using AI for university activity planning, and prospect of using AI to document. The continuation shown here, the survey results are analysis of the use AI for the development of educational programs, subjects and their information content, analysis of the prospect of using AI to support distance learning technologies, analysis of the prospect of using AI to support personal potential, analysis of the perspective of the use of AI for control measures. A model of the educational process, the next model, algorithmic functional theory of the educational process model, automated information system, AI technologies and current rate and forecast for 5 years. So we have support of the educational institutions infrastructure, planning of university as activities, operational support of educational process, documentation of student training, development of educational programs, subjects and their information content, support of personal potential, support for distance learning technologies, carrying out control measures, and support for individual work. The effectiveness of the educational process model can be recognized as a sum of these calculated value of the efficiency multiplied by the weight, and conditions and advantages of the implementation of the proposed model of educational process organizing using AI elements. Conditions: availability of qualitative and quantitative data, the expediency of using the model, availability of appropriate information and technical infrastructure, compliance with ethical and legal standards, availability of AI specialists. Advantages: assistance in identifying the individual needs of students and adapting the educational process to their needs and level of knowledge, facilitating the collection process and analysis of data, which makes it possible to make more accurate forecasts to improve the organization of the learning process, improved tracking of student progress and reporting on academic achievement. And conclusions: the most promising direction in the qualitative improvement of the higher education system is the widest possible implementation of AI technologies in the information system of universities, which is aimed at providing conditions for adaptive, personalized, lifelong learning. The implementation of AI technologies in the educational process is determined by the following factors: a wide range of modern AI technologies with different functional directions. Development of educational information system is a creative process that is unique for each educational institution. Rather, a complex process of implementation of new digital technologies, which often requires the transformation of educational and methodological standards. There is a bias towards decisions made using AI. The cost of implementing AI technologies is quite high, and therefore the implementation project must be well founded. Thank you for your attention.